Yeah, I'm here.
You're saying something, but it was cut because of the internet connect. I mean the Zoom stoppage. What was you're saying?
Yeah, like the smoke detectors, smoke detectors can send you alert in your phone, your smartphone.
You would say it will send you an alert if there is emergency in your home through CCTVs or through smoke detector. So it can be possible that it can connect to the smart device or your mobile phone so that you will be aware. All right, that will be another thing.
Yeah, there's a force on it.
All right. So how about the smart fridge? What benefit for it?
Smart what?
Smart fridge means smart refrigerator.
Ah, uh, can tell you about the temperature.
It will tell you the temperature in your refrigerator.
Yeah.
Why you will go inside? All right. So in terms of that one, you would say that it will automatically send you a message if there are some missing food in your fridge, or if there are some food that requires replacement or already expired, so that you will be aware what are the things you need to add or things that you have to pull out from the fridge, or even it will give you the health benefit of those particular food that you put in your fridge. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
You understand what I said, or just say okay, okay, okay?
No, no, I understood that.
Good.
Very smart, like it will know that if the food is fresh or no.
Yes, it's actually like that. It will even slap you if you will eat the junk food, you know?
Yeah.
It will punch the user. If you open the fridge and you take the junk food, it will send a punch, one punch in your face so that you will not take it again, you know? All right, anyway, take a look at this one. It's about, again, the what we so-called website. So
Yeah,
what are the three layers in a website? Do you know?
like the content layer and
Yes.
uh, content layer. Programming layer,
Ah?
programming layer.
Oh, you're just guessing, huh?
Yeah, I forgot.
All right, so there are three types of layers. So actually the layers we have is actually we have content. The next one is presentation. The last one is behavioral. All right, content,
Content layer.
sometimes we call it structure. Presentation, sometimes we call it style. Behavioral, we don't call it anything, only behavioral. So now the content or the structure layer, what is the use of content layer?
What do they have the content? It contains like the information that will be present in the web page.
That's my boy. That's it. The purpose of that one is to hold the information that you will put in the web page. So that is the content layer. Now, identify two web development layers and give use for each. So we already mentioned one of it is the presentation. Another one is the behavior.
Behavior.
Now, presentation is used for what?
For making the style and the appearance of the web page.
Oh, my boy is doing it right. Good.
Mm. And the behavioral, uh, how the program is called it to know what to do in different situations.
What is that situation? Okay, so if you answer this number two question, you would say it is designed for JavaScript, or would say the scripting informations of the website that allows a user to interact with the web page. All right, so it is designed for the user to interact with the web page. So it's a script or JavaScript of the website. Let me repeat. It is designed for an interactive, would say, action or interactive, would say, I want to say another word other than interactive. Okay, allow the user to interact with the web page. That's the use of the behavioral, or would say it is designed for the JavaScript or the scripting of the website. Got it?
So to know to guess the scripting of the website.
And for
Okay.
allowing user to interact with the website.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
next one. All right, that's easy, I think.
Yes. It's easier to browse the tablet, the computer.
Easier to browse. Okay, some computers have touchscreen. Describe three benefits of using a touchscreen. What you said again?
It's easier to browse.
Is it easier to browse using a touchscreen?
Yeah.
Good for you. All right, what else?
It's doesn't require like even kids can use it.
So meaning it is intuitive, it's easy to use, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Uh, that doesn't require a lot of work, like a lot of
A lot of work, what? Because you just have to touch it, huh?
yeah.
So one way of the best benefit of the touchscreen is just it will allow you to basically pinch the screen to zoom in, zoom out of the item. I think that's what's the best thing about touchscreen, right? You can zoom in and zoom out easily with your two fingers, correct?
Yeah.
And it's so intuitive, meaning it's easy to use. With the response time is actually faster. It's quick to select on options because you just have to press the button and directly to or press the any items on the screen, and it will allow you to do the action for it. All right, so and does not require external keyboard for the computer, and that means you are saving space. All right, so you're saving space in your computer table or in your place. You got it?
Yeah.
The short word for that one is called a small I call that one footprint or something like that. Small area, small footprint required.
Footprint.
Yeah, footprint means it doesn't require space. In other words,
Yeah.
because if you have external keyboard, of course, you need a space for it to use. All right, take a look at number 11. A student has downloaded a file contains a virus. Describe the possible effect on his computer or if he opens that virus file.
The computer will lag
Okay.
and the data may be erased.
So chances of data will be deleted, erased, computer will slow down or lag will be there. That will be the things that may happen. Now, how do you think the students can prevent that it won't happen?
The computer will be affected by viruses. Like after he opened it or
No, no,
generally.
no. Prevent means before it will happen.
He can use antivirus programs.
Okay.
He could don't open links from and files from unknown sources.
Meaning do not open links provided by unknown sources, okay, or untrusted people.
Trusted, yes.
What else?
Links, do not open unknown websites.
Do not open unknown website. We are talking about to protect his computer, right? So I
Yeah.
think we are talking about virus, so I suggest that you would mention about scanning every devices that will be connected to his computer. That would be better than links.
Uh, if you connect to the flash drive, you should
Yeah,
scan it.
so before opening the flash or the external device, scan it first. And regularly scanning his computer also a good options he can do. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Some files containing viruses have to be quarantined as they cannot be deleted. State the type of file that may have been quarantined rather than deleted. So remember, see, some files, instead of deleted, it cannot be deleted. Instead, it will go to the quarantine. You know quarantine?
How it should be
Quarantine meaning a place to put the virus into cage, like putting them into cell, like in prison. So they
yeah.
will not kill the virus. Instead, they will put that in prison. So this is like in my antivirus right now here. I have this one. Now I have it in the protection. Here's my quarantine. See, I have so many files quarantined right now because they are dangerous. You got it?
Yeah, so they contain viruses.
So they might not be a true viruses because this is not virus. I know this is something, a crack that I downloaded to make my Microsoft Office free. That's why I have Microsoft Word, which is actually free. So this is Word. This Office, this one here, actually right now, this is, if you look, this is licensed, and I did not pay for this. Yes,
They're cracked.
so this is crap. So of course, they will detect that one as dangerous. All right, that's why they give me the quarantine the file. So who cares? I know what's the file. So the question now, state the type of files that may have to be quarantined rather than deleted. What is the type of file that they cannot delete? Okay, this is a little bit tricky. So there are different file type of files. So the answer for this one is actually a system file.
System file.
Yeah, system file, because if that's a random file like Word file, they will delete that for you. But they cannot delete a system file because maybe if they will delete this, maybe your computer will stop working because it's not really a virus and it was a false detection. And when they delete that one, then your computer will not work properly. So that's why they will not delete that. Instead, they will put that in quarantine unless you ask for it to be reinstalled or put to its proper state, then it will go back, or after 1 month or some sort of days, they will remove it by itself. So, but first, it's considered as a system file. Explain how the software detects and quarantine the file. How they know that that is considered as a virus, and what they will so that they will put in quarantine.
One question about the system file, like the system file already there and it will be affected by a virus.
Yeah, if the system file of your computer is affected, like this one right now, let me go back to the thing. All right, so if I go to my protection quarantine, these are all system file. Most of it a system file. Did you observe what it says? Executable file, exe. You got it?
Yeah.
Link. These are system files. So they are not Microsoft Word, they're not Excel, they're not Access. All of them are system files, something that can install by itself. See? exe. exe means program file or system file. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they consider this as a Trojan, malware, keylogger, or whatever it is that I have no freaking idea what are those things. I don't care. I'm protected, so that's more important for me. So that's considered a system file because it will install when you click it. It's executable file. Now explain how the software detects and quarantine the file.
The antivirus.
1 minute while someone's calling, huh? Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Hello, good evening. Walaikum salam. Yes, sir. Who's this, please? I don't speak Arabic. Yeah, what you want to do? I have ECC fiber, yes. I think I have WhatsApp number, yes, I have. Yeah, what's wrong? What's wrong anyway? I don't have mobile fiber. I only have ECC fiber. This guy is I don't know. Asking for mobile fiber. I don't have mobile fiber. All right. Anyway, proceed. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So how they will detect and quarantine the file? So the first things what's going to happen is that they will scan your computer or the file for possible viruses. So how they will know that that file is a virus? Because it will be available in the dictionary of viruses. So meaning they have several files already listed here considered as virus, all of it. Now, maybe millions of it or thousand, we don't know. Now, this is your file. So they will see if this file is the same, any of it. So if they will see an equal in this database, so they will consider your file as a virus. That's why it's very important to update your antivirus every now and then because they will update the list of viruses. You got it?
Yeah. So they have like a library of viruses.
Yes, so that's the thing there. Maybe these guys sending me a message in WhatsApp. I have no freaking idea. The one who's calling me mobile is TC, whatever. Is what he said. I am a mobile company. What I need you. Mobile fiber. Okay. All right. Proceed.
Yeah.
Now, again, let me repeat. So the thing there is like scan the computer for viruses. If viruses is found in the dictionary that they're the same, so it will alert the user that the file will be moved to quarantine. So it will alert the user that the file will be moved to the quarantine. And
Yeah. What?
it will remind the user that the file will be quarantined. Like this is how you
Yeah.
will how they will know if there's a virus. So what you will do is that it will be automatic or sometimes you do it manually. So what you do, you will scan, right?
Yeah.
Then after scanning, it will show you what are the threat or what are the possible viruses in your computer. If they found any, they will tell you to do an action into it. Either they will tell you to leave it or they will put that one in the quarantine. So that's what they meant on that question. And of course, you can rescan the system again to see if really the virus exists or not. Question?
Okay. No, no.
All right. Okay, let's make this one as the last question, number 12. Take a look at this one. I think this is another simple one. Take a look, please.
Okay. Here's Yes, orientation the main from the target and uh, the presentation should have transitions between the slides,
Describe
transition
the design
effects.
features must be included to make version appeal to the teenagers. So say it again.
The presentation must have transitions between the slides.
Okay, a unique or a good transitions between the slide animations, you would say. What else?
Yeah. Uh, so, the background should have a good background color.
Should have a background color. Okay, a balanced background color will do. What else?
Yeah. Should have like arranged structure.
Arrange structure, so meaning a consistency of the layout, you meant? The layout
Yeah.
should be consistent. All right, what
Yeah.
else?
The text. Um,
There should be images as well. All right.
yeah. Okay, this is 3 or 4.
All right. No, you already mentioned 4, actually. First is the animation transitions. The next one you mentioned about the background color, which is has to be consistent. You mentioned about pictures, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, and layout. So those are possible answers you can have. Last one, the designer needs to be aware of copyright legislation when creating a presentation. Explain the need of copyright legislation.
Need for uh, to ensure that no one takes the work of some company or person without their permission and takes the credibility for it.
Explain the need of copyright registration. Say it again, please.
To ensure that no one takes the work of another company or person without taking their permission and taking the credibility of for making it.
All right. So in other words, you can say that it is a protection given to the owner to make sure that no one will be using his software or work without his permission, right?
Yeah,
It is the right given, an intellectual right given to the owner of the software or the or of the program, you would say.
yeah,
All right. Anyway, that's good. So you have few questions left, and hopefully you have the copy for this. I hope.
yeah. Pretty.
Continue. And when you want the next class will be?
Uh, Tomorrow, like the exam is on Thursday.
Yeah, we have no choice actually, right?
Yeah.
But actually you're improving. I like that one. So I hope that until now I'm still hoping that you will answer. Don't just keep on telling I will, but you are not doing the thing. Yeah, Habibi, I won't be there in your exam time. So I want to see some progress from you, okay?
Okay.
Do some works. I won't be there. Okay, so please do it. Answer.
Yeah.
Print the
Unfortunately.
question. Print the question. Then without answer key, just answer it, and then later compare with the mark scheme. And then if you are not sure about if your answer is right, tomorrow ask me, Mr. Ray, do you how much I will get from this question? You got it?
Okay.
Yeah, that okay. I don't believe it again. That okay, okay. Always okay, okay. You're not doing from practical until theory. Yeah. All right. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Bye, boy.
Bye.